Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you how I achieved these quick hairstyles on my 4C natural hair using some Afro puff ponytails that I got from Stamp Glorious, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you're lit. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm finally going to be doing a natural hairstyle, and I'm going to be using some Afro puff ponytails that I got from an Amazon hair company called Stamp Glorious. The Afro puff ponytail came with some bobby pins, a scrunchie, some lashes, and the Afro puff ponytail. This color that I'm using now is the T30 color. It's a little bit off from my natural hair color, but, well, not my natural hair color, but it's a little off from the color of my hair, but it's close enough. It is a drawstring ponytail, and on the inside has a lot of space. It has 2 combs, and it has 1 drawstring. I really like the color blend. Like, although it doesn't match mine, like, it looks really, really nice. Alright, so I started off by sectioning off my bangs, and I'm going to go ahead and spray some water and grab some Honey Butter Babe natural hair butter and start detangling my hair. I just loosed out the braids from the crochet locks that I did the video on. If you haven't seen that video already, there's a card and there's a link for it in my description box below. But I'm just taking out those braids, and I didn't comb out my hair when I took those braids out. It was so cute. So now I have to detangle it, sort of, to be able to put it in a ponytail. And yeah, to do that, I gotta wet my hair, add some moisture, and I'm gonna seal in the moisture with my Honey Butter Babe. And then once I get that detangled enough to be able to get into a ponytail, I grab my Sheisbombcollection edge control and smooth it down. Alright, so now that I got my hair into a ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and do the front section of my hair. And I wanted something cute, but I want it to be really simple. So I'm using my Sheisbombcollection edge control, and I got some brown rubber bands. And I just made like 3 little boxes with rubber bands. And I'm going to leave extra space to do a twist braid and the front center for my bangs. And now on each side where the hair is left, I'm going to do 2 twist braids. And for my bangs, I'm doing a twist towel. So I wet my hair up and I sectioned into 3 parts, did 3 2-strand twists and dried it. And then I got to working on like actually getting my ponytail like bun thing together to put that Afro puff on. Alright, so I just opened up the Afro puff and grabbed the front comb, and that's what I dug into my hair. And then once I pulled the drawstring, the back comb pulled in, and I didn't pull it too tight. It felt secure with 1 little wrap around and a little tuck or whatever. Then I added some beads to each twist braid on each side. And now I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the process of drawing this twist out in the front. And I guess I decided to work on my edges next. So I got my Sheisbombcollection edge control and my bomb glue gel to lay my edges down before I did the bang. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and loose out the 2-strand twist and like separate it. And once I start getting them twists loose and separated and the color of my tips was showing, like this ponytail look really, really good. Like it looks so natural with my hair color. Like this is the finished look. I really like this Afro ponytail and I didn't put anything on it. I just fluffed it out a little bit. And it's only $9.99 on Amazon. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this ponytail off and try the 1B ponytail on. Well, I'm not trying it on. I already tried this one on. I already wore it, actually. And I put water in. I fluffed it out a little bit already. So it looks a little bit more natural than the first ponytail. But, yeah. Alright, so that concludes this video. I want to give a big shout out to Stamp Glorious on Amazon for sending me these ponytails to review. And a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.